What? What happened? Your fur! How could you let this happen?
Oh, her coat. Sorry.
Just get this thing away from me! I believe we're due for an upgrade. One like this, perhaps? Come on in!
Oh yeah? Well, ick! Where'd this come from? It's so green. Gross. What's that? Ick! I'm sorry, girl. I'll fix this. Not with this. Or this. But wait, this could do. Good thing I've got soap. Take me down to Foam City. Yep, keep it coming. Almost there. Phew, pretty handy. And now we scrub. Wow, are you seeing this? What do you think, Barbie? Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Hold on. There, much better. Clean as a whistle. Thanks to me.
You can hire someone to that, you know. Psst. What? We have some work to do. I need pink walls. Oh! You want to paint? Don't worry, I know a guy.
You rang?
Perfect. Is this what you were looking for? I'll take that as a yes. And it's your favorite color. Pink, pink, pink! And oh, so luxurious. You like? Looks soft. And it is. That's right. Oh, missed a spot.
Huh? It's so dark.
Having fun? More than you guys.
Rude. Let me think. Hey, down here, Mindy! See? What a find! Okay then, let the doodling begin! Aw, all of our favorite things! All original artwork! Our home is one of a kind. Do you like it? Like it? I love it! It's perfect!
Perfect? I think not. Our home reigns supreme. I know that's right.
That's nice, but we're more about the love over here. Can you feel it?
Feel it? Whatever. Our home is giving luxury, honey.
Then ours is giving fun!
This is ridiculous. Wait, what is that? Rain? You've gotta be kidding me. Nope, get out of here. Bye! Move it along. There you go.
Is it raining? Oh no! So wet. Rain? It's all good. I've got a plan. I mean, pan! This'll work, right? Oh boy. Hold on. This should help. Hey, that reminds me of something. Wow, it's tiny. But if we have a whole bunch, we've got a roof! Hey, we just waterproofed this thing! All from an old plastic bag.
No way. Why should she have all the good ideas? So unfair! I just can't catch a break here. Ugh. Hold on, I got this. What took you so long? Faster, faster! There you go. What? Where'd that come from?
Dough!
Oh no! Ken! Ken, are you all right?
I'm good.
That was quite a fall.
Anything for you, Barbie.
And look at that sunshine. We're golden. Literally.
Yep, pretty impressive. Aw, man. Phew.
Ken? You coming up here or what?
I'm here! I'm here! What's in this thing anyway?
Oh, Ken.
Mystery solved!
What am I gonna do with you? Huh? Look at all those clothes. Help, please.
What is it? A wardrobe dilemma?
Wait.
Say less. I've got just the thing.
Thanks. Nothing some solid gold can't fix. Before you know it, this room will be furnished. I'm talking full shelves. Isn't it fabulous? But she'll need an armoire too.
Allow me. There, the perfect fit, don't you think? And your knickknacks? There's a place for everything. Well done.
I'm loving this.
What about my shelves? You need storage, huh? Let me see here. That's a whole lot of nothing. Actually, I can work with this. Pretty cool, right? What do you think? Wow, fun! Thank you so much! But how about this? Everything's better with some color. Put your stuff on it. Looking good. But wait! I'll sacrifice my t-shirt for this! It'll be worth it! Okay, let's see here. Wait for it. There! So cute! You can hang it right here. See? They're just perfect! They sure are!
Grab me a dress! Okay, I hear ya. Here's an older one. Thanks, girl. I'm coming over!